The 2018 Toyota Tacoma gets the Toyota Safety Sense P Security Suite as standard. The 5-speed manual alternative has been suspended on the SR and SR5 trim. TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, and limited trims are presently accessible with the cement outside shading. TRD Pro models get the Cavalry Blue outside shading, which replaces cement. Midnight Black replaces black in all trims. All trims aside from the TRD Pro get a modified grille. The 2018 Toyota Tacoma is a fair-sized truck that spaces beneath the bigger, full-measure Tundra and is accessible in back or four-wheel drive setups. 2 bed lengths and 3 taxi variations are accessible. The 2018 Toyota Tacoma comes standard with a 2.7-liter i4 with 159 horsepower and 180 pounds-to-foot of torque, and is matched to a 6-speed programmed transmission. There's additionally a discretionary 3.5-liter V6 with 278 horsepower and 268 pounds-to-foot that can be had with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed programmed transmission.